I gotta say, I love having Flo around. Her knowledge and experience is compared to none. But if I have to be honest, I think the technology we have here at Ameritech is a little bit above her pay grade.
I was teaching my students the other day on this program called Zoom.
Zoom? You mean Zoom?
Oh, honey, you gotta get that thing on ice. It's gonna get stinky.
Flo, it's synthetic.
Sweet cheeks, I don't care what you call him. You gotta get him on ice. Ew, sorry.
It's just Zoom.
No, it's Zoom. You do things very fast. I do things very slow. I'm 202 years old. Oh, you poor little short person. Oh, take care of your little self. You know, he looks like he's got consumption.
Flo, this isn't a real child.
I know. That's what I used to tell myself when I couldn't deal with it. It'll be okay. Just work with yourself. You'll be all right. Zoom.
No, Flo, it's just Zoom.
Benny, it's not. You know, I'm telling you, the technology here, I've still got it. They think I'm slow. I'm not slow. Yeah, I still got it.
Hey, Flo, your mic is on mute.
I'm on mute.